Is Qt framework pathing failed due to the Qt5Script DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Don't let Qt5Script slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Qt5Script, the Qt5Script library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of ECMAScript execution, facilitating the localized script data link for application logic manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Qt5Script.dll is distributed specifically with Qt Framework and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Qt Framework to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Qt5Script message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Qt5Script DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Qt5Script. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Qt5Script. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.